Revolutionary air-cooled continuous laser cleaning device. Compact, portable, and efficient. Say goodbye to cumbersome, bulky equipment with our advanced air-cooled continuous laser cleaning device. Unlike traditional systems that rely on large water-cooled heat dissipation modules, our device is engineered with a unique air-cooled heat dissipation system. This innovation significantly reduces both size and weight, making it easy to carry and perfect for outdoor cleaning tasks or environments that require frequent mobility. Ideal for cleaning rust and paint off various metals, this cutting-edge technology delivers powerful performance without the hassle of managing bulky equipment. Its compact design also translates to lower shipping costs and simplified maintenance. You'll no longer need to worry about adding water coolant or antifreeze. This means more time for work and less time on upkeep. Whether you're tackling outdoor projects or moving between work sites, this portable laser cleaning device ensures unmatched convenience and efficiency. It's the perfect solution for professionals who demand precision, mobility, and ease of use. Upgrade your cleaning game today with the air-cooled continuous laser cleaning device, where innovation meets portability.